Good morning, students. Today we are going to solve rest of the questions from exercise 6.1. The question is, using the given pattern, find the missing number. Question once more. Using the given pattern, find the missing number. One pattern is given here. Pattern is first 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square equals 3 square. Next 2 square plus 3 square plus 6 square equals 7 square. 3 square plus 4 square plus 12 square is equal to 13 square. 4 square plus 5 square plus dash square equals 21 square. Here 6 square plus 7 square plus dash square is equal to dash square. Here 1 square means 1 is the base and 2 is the power. Once more, here 1 square means 1 is the base and 2 is the power. Our method is here, if we multiply these two bases, we will get the third base. Once more, if we multiply these two bases, we will get the third base. That means 1 into 2 equals 2. Then this base plus 1, we will get the right side base. Once more, if we add this base plus 1, we will get the right side base. Then how will you get this base 6? When we multiply these two numbers, that these two numbers means these two bases, 2 and 3. 2 into 3, that is 6. Then how will you get this 7? 6 plus this base plus 1, you will get 7. That is 6 plus 1, the base 7. Similarly, 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Then how will you get this number, missing number? We have to find out this missing term. How will you get this missing number? You know that 3 fours are 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Like that, 4 5s are 20. We are multiplying these two bases 4 and 5. So 4 5s are 20. Similarly here, 5 square plus dot square plus 30 square is equal to 31 square. Here this term is missing. We know that these two bases multiplied, we will get this term. So here this term is missing. We can divide 30 by 5. That is 30 by 5. 30 by 5 is 6. So this missing term is 6. Here 6 5s are 30. Next question is 6 square plus 7 square plus dot square equals dot square. We know that when we multiply these two bases, we will get the third base. That is 6 7s are how much? 42. Then how will you get this right side number, right side base? This base plus 1. That is 42 plus 1. 43 square. That is 6 square plus 7 square plus 42 square equals 43 square. Next question is, without adding, find the sum. Question is this one, without adding, find the sum. Question is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. What type of number is this? These are odd numbers. Our method is this one. Here we have to find out the sum without adding. Method is sum of first n odd numbers equals n square. Method is sum of first n odd numbers equals n square. Here n equals number of given numbers, number of given odd numbers. That is n equals how many numbers are here? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So n equals 5. Then method, sum of first n odd numbers equals n square. That is n square equals n equals 5. Then n square is equal 5 square. 5 square equals 5 into 5 equals 25. So sum of these 5 odd numbers equals 25. Here second question is 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19. These are also odd numbers. We know that sum of first n odd number is equal to n square. N is equal to how many numbers are here? That is n. Then n is equal to how much? N is equal to how many numbers are here? 10. Then we have to find out n square. N square equals n equals 10. Then 10 into 10. That is 100. So sum of these 10 odd numbers equals 100. Copy down this. Third question, take it as homework. Next, eighth question is express 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. Question is 49 expressed as the sum of 7 odd numbers. We know that 49 equals 7 square. We have to write 49 as the sum of 7 odd numbers. Then write 7 odd numbers. 49 equals 7 odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13. These are 7 odd numbers. We will get 49. This next question is express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. Express 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. 121 equals square of 11. That is 11 square. Write 121 as the sum of 11 odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19 plus 21. If we add these numbers, we will get the sum 121. Copy down this. Ninth question is how many numbers lie between squares of the following numbers? First question is 12 and 13. In between squares of these two numbers, how many numbers lie? That is 12 square and 13 square. In between these two numbers square, how many numbers lie? We can use one method. Method is this one. Numbers between square numbers, square of number n and n plus 1 equals 2n. We can use this method for solving this question. Numbers between square of number n and n plus 1 equals 2n. What is n? For example, I am taking n is equal to 3. Then what is n plus 1? N plus 1 equals 3 plus 1. That is equal 4. N is equal to 3. Then n plus 1 is equal to 3 plus 1. That equals 4. Like this. 12 and 13. First number is 12. That is n. Then 13 is n plus 1. Here n is equal to 12. Our method is which one? N and n plus 1 equals 2n. Then 2n we have to find out. 2n equals 2 into 12. That is equal to 24. Then in between 12 square and 13 square, how many numbers are there? 24 numbers are there. Always you have to take smaller number for n. For example, here question 12 and 13. Here smaller number is 12. So here n we will take 12. Then copy down this. Second question is 25 and 26. We have to find out how many number lies between square of these two numbers. That is 25 square and 26 square. Here what is n? N is 25. N equals 25. What is our method? Numbers between square of number n and n plus 1 equals 2n. We have to find out 2n. 2n means 2 into n, 2 into value of n is equal to 25. That is 50. The numbers between square of these two numbers equals 50. Third question is 99 and 100. What we have to find out? We have to find out how many numbers lies between square of these two numbers. That is 99 square and 100 square. 100 square. Here what is n? N equals 99. Our method is we have to find out 2n. 2n equals 2 into 99. That is equal to 198. In between squares of these two numbers, how many numbers are there? 198 numbers. Students, we have completed exercise 6.1. In the next class, we will start exercise 6.2.